Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix AirDrop notifications not showing in iOS 17 on iPhone. To fix this error, you need to swipe down the control panel from the top left corner. Then, from the control panel, click on the AirDrop option. And make sure to choose the Everyone for 10 minutes option from here. Also, while receiving or sending files from AirDrop, make sure to turn on the Bluetooth. Also, don't forget to turn on the Wi-Fi as well. And don't put your phone on Do Not Disturb mode. Then open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down in Settings and find General. Once you get into General, scroll down and choose the Shutdown button. Then give your phone a quick shutdown rest. After that, get back to General and click on Software Updates. Make sure you have installed the iOS 17 in your iPhone, and this will fix all your problems. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.